Hi, my name is Rajshekhar. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm new to stock market. Just you can say that I started looking into trader post COVID. So I was like buying stocks and with couple of friends we have been discussing about stock market. In this process I have gone through some losses because I don't know how to buy a stock and when to buy a stock. So during this process one of my friend Ryan, he came across the videos of Manoj sir, and initially we joined the 2-day session of Fibonacci in last December. After that, one of my friend Ryan has joined his course, Elliott Wave. Elliott Wave is something that's a very new concept to us because I've been watching different videos on technical things, but I never heard about Elliott Wave. Only thing is to learn about technicals, fundamentals. Based on that, we used to buy stock, and sometimes we used to make small profit, but most of the time I had a very big loss. So after joining this Fibonacci session of 2 days with Manoj sir, we decided to join his course. So my friend joined in one batch and I joined in another batch. After joining Manoj sir, I have come to know a lot about stock market, mainly because of the Elliott Wave, the way he teaches, like a person like me who is very new to the market. He teaches in a very layman language where any newcomer can grasp the market and learn how it's going and where you can enter into a stock and where you can exit in the stock. So I recommended some of my friends to join his Fibonacci classes. Based on that, they can also join the Elliott Wave theory classes. So I'm very much impressed by Manoj sir's teaching, and I like very much the way he teaches the fundamentals and from a very layman perspective. So I wish him all the best in his future endeavors, and thank you.